पुल टूट गया। ये देखो भैया पुल टूट चुका सारा, ये देखो पुल टूट रहा है। ये भारी है, ये चला जाएगा।
दुकानें थी यहाँ पे, दो बादल फट गए, एक इधर फटा ऊपर। ये देखो पानी की टंकी कैसे फिर से हो रही है यहाँ पे, भाई साहब पूरा यहाँ पे एक।
भैया ये देखो पुल टूट चुका है सारा, सब पुल टूट चुका है भैया, ये देखो सारा का सारा पुल टूट चुका है।
Uttarakhand, after heavy rains trigger landslides and flooding roads, bridges and other infrastructure, suffered damage worth crores of rupees after heavy rains lashed Dehradun early Tuesday morning. At least 15 people were killed and 16 others were missing after heavy rains triggered landslides and caused rivers to overflow in Dehradun and nearby districts in Uttarakhand early Tuesday morning. The Disaster Management Authority said 13 bodies were recovered in Dehradun on Tuesday, along with one each in Pithoragarh and Nainital. In Dehradun, the worst-hit areas were Maldepta, Sahastratara, Manjingada, and Karlagat. Disaster Management and Rehabilitation Minister Vinod Kumar Suman said that while 12 bodies have been identified in Dehradun, one remains unidentified. Of the 12 identified bodies, 7 are from Moradabad, 1 each from Sambol, Nepal, and Ljubljana, and 2 from Dehradun. The flooding occurred due to heavy rainfall in Sahastratara overnight, and we recorded 264 millimeters of rainfall in Sahastratara over the past 24 hours, as of 8:30 a.m. Tuesday, said Suman. Heavy rainfall is categorized as a rare weather event, a localized rainfall event where 100 millimeters of rain falls in a particular area within an hour. Nainital received 105 millimeters of rainfall as of 8:30 a.m. on Tuesday. Dehradun witnessed a tragic incident on Tuesday with video footage showing a tractor losing control and being swept into the Tons River, with around 15 people on board in Premnagar. 5 bodies have been recovered by the State Disaster Response Force, and 3 by the district police. 2 of the 15 bodies have been rescued. While rescue operations are underway, authorities have recovered the body of a child who had previously drowned. To locate the missing persons, SDRF teams are conducting a search along the river, from Sahaspur to Herbertpur Dharamwala Bridge. SDRF Commander Arpan Yaduvenchi said that about 70 people were rescued from near the site of the heavy rain. 3 villagers are trapped under the rubble, and we are trying to rescue them.
वैष्णो माता में पानी भर गया है, टपकेश्वर महादेव में भी भयंकर बाढ़ जा रही है, भगवान भोलेनाथ को छूरा।
In addition, we have rescued 250 students stranded at a university in Premnagar, he said. Meanwhile, flood damage in Dehradun is estimated at over Rs 10 crore. Around 13 bridges were affected, with losses estimated at Rs 1.5 crore. 12 farmlands were damaged, resulting in a loss of revenue of Rs 2.3 crore. Damage to 21 roads was estimated at Rs 1.2 crore, and embankments worth Rs 1.7 crore were also damaged. Infrastructure damage disrupted normal life. Several homes in Anganwadi Center, a panchayat building, a community center, 13 shops, 8 hotels, and 3 restaurants were also damaged. The Sahastradara Karlighat road was damaged at more than 9 points due to landslides.
लोकल इसके बाद होटल क्लैरियन में टॉन्स ब्रिज को जो है अपना टॉन्स नदी का
Dehradun District Magistrate Savin Bansal has announced compensation of Rs 4,000 per family per month for 3 months for affected communities to relocate to safer rental accommodation. The DM instructed the Public Works Department and the Pradhan Mantri program. Graham. Sadak Yojana to mobilize adequate manpower and equipment to reopen blocked roads and connect routes as soon as possible. Dry rations and food packages have been provided to those living in refugee camps.
7:30 पर पुल बैठा
देखो गाइस पानी का सारा कुछ नहीं था यहाँ रात तक सुबह में हुआ रात में